Hi everyone, my name's Naomi Jones and I'm the author of The Rap Lesson, which is part of the Readerful Rise series. So The Rap Lesson is about a girl called Saffron who desperately wants to be a rapper, but she hates poetry lessons at school because they make no sense to her at all. Then her teacher tells her that some people think rap stands for rhythm and poetry, and she becomes really inspired. I used to really struggle with poetry when I was at school too, because it really didn't mean anything to me at all. But now I absolutely love poems because I find them so fun and they're so playful to write and to read. When I visit schools, I often find that kids love rap, but really don't enjoy poetry, even though they're effectively the same thing. That's partly what inspired The Rap Lesson. I really wanted to write a Readerful Rise book because I love that they help make reading accessible. The page layout and the font is really easy to read, especially if you're dyslexic like I am. And most importantly, they look like the chapter books that their peers are reading too, with age-appropriate illustrations, which can really help to build self-esteem. I know from experience how frustrating it can feel when you find things so much harder than everyone else around you, and it can really start to affect your self-confidence too. But I really believe that reading and stories are for everyone, and sometimes you just need to find a way to access them, and that's what the Readerful Rise books do so brilliantly.